Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They focus on one particular topic and are perfect if you're just after the straightforward facts and how-to. To start off with, I thought I'd show you just a little piece of music here, and I'll show you the symbols so you can see what they are. So, first off, this is your sharp sign. It resembles a hashtag. That might be a nice easy way to remember it. Next up is this one. This is our flat sign. Looks a bit like a pointy B. And finally, this is our natural sign. First off, I'm just going to play a normal F. And then I'm going to play F sharp. And one of them sounds higher than the other. I'll play them again, just so you can compare. There's your F. And there's the F sharp. So you can hear that sharp makes it sound slightly higher. And what's happening is it's been raised a semitone. And you say, right, what's the semitone? Well, probably the easiest way to think of it is it's the smallest distance between two keys on the piano. So that's a semitone. Let's find a few others. So if we have G, we want to go up to G sharp, we hit up to that flat key. There's our A. We want to go up to A sharp. We've got that one. Now, what do you think is going to happen when I play B? You think, they've all been black keys up to this point. It's got to be that one. But no, it's not. That is actually C sharp. B sharp is the next white key. Because we've got to follow our rule. We go up a semitone. So the sharp raises the note by a semitone. If we go the other way and we look at a flat, it does the exact opposite. So the flat lowers it by a semitone. So if we check out B and we go down a semitone, you can hear it's slightly lower, and that takes us down to B flat. If we go A down to A flat, G down to G flat, and let's check out what happens with F and F flat. There you go. It's another white key. So when we've got the symbol, so it can be sharp, flat, or a natural, you'll find it going in front of the note. So this F sharp here, this sharp, is going to go in front of your F, like that. So it'll go before the note. And we can see that here for the B flat as well, going before the B. Now, we've got another B in this bar here. And this is also B flat. And that's because this flat here lasts all the way through that bar. And it refers to the B, all other Bs in that bar at that pitch. They will be a B flat. If we check out the third bar, okay, we've got another B flat here. But in this bar, I don't want this B here to be a B flat. I want to cancel out that B flat and return it back to the white key, the normal B. So this is where this symbol kicks in. This is the natural. And this cancels out a previous sharp or flat. So it's cancelling out the B flat from earlier, this guy, and so it's just back to a normal B for here. One thing, just an aside, if I wrote in, say I made an F up here, and I'm going to make that into a quaver, so I've got an F sharp there, and I've got another F up here. Now, I'll often get asked, is this F also F sharp? Because our rule is that, okay, we've got the sharp before the F. That means all the other Fs in that bar will be F sharp. Well, yes, as long as they're that F, the F at the same pitch. This F up here is an octave higher. It's completely different pitch, and so the sharp sign does not refer to that F. It would only be notes of the same pitch, so that F in the same position on the stave, in other words.